Welcome to another episode of Breaking Bank. This is your host, Jack McKeag, and we're on libertyaid.org. And you can write to us at contact@libertyaid.org if you have any thoughts, questions, what have you. And here's one from that, interaction. Actually, it's happened a lot of questions about getting an EIN for a trust, and then we had someone who paid money to get an EIN. Okay, an EIN is free on irs.gov. Okay, that's the IRS website. They allow persons, which is a business type, right, of the In God We Trust, right? They allow persons of the In God We Trust, which is a sub-corporation of the In God We Trust, right? They allow them to license other entities to carry on commerce, have a bank account, what have you, own assets, blah, 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 however you want to state it, okay? The IRS is that licensing agency of the In God We Trust, for persons, which each individual that comes into America gets a person. You get one, right? It's a business, has all capital letter name, has social security number. That's a business. It's not you, and it's not yours. It's the In God We Trust sub corporation. It's not yours. You're licensed to operate it, yes, sure. You can represent it. It's not you, and it's not yours. Okay, it's the In God We Trust sub corporation. All right. Obviously, and if that ain't yours, you own no stock in the In God We Trust or nothing. That's Satan's trust. We is Satan. Okay, so you have no ownership in any of that. So when you say mine, and all that stuff, you're just saying, oh, I love Satan so much, I'm with Satan. I'm actually going to become Satan's corporation. Great. You religious zealots just drive me crazy. But you really love your god Satan, goddess, transvestite, cross-dresser, whatever the right terminology to get me not kicked off Facebook and YouTube. Yeah, I'm kicked off Facebook. It looks like permanently. I never really received a notice or anything. One day I got like almost 200 on one day. Almost 200 these things like, hey, you can't post this. Almost every single one of them was just a reposting of Mayor Baba or something. Literally into the In God We Trust. And so they gave me like 200 of those. I should have never posted about Mayor Baba. I know they hate him. And then, so no date was sent or anything. Like they have a support inbox or whatever. No message, no nothing. Anyway. So that looks like that's just permanently blocked. Like they're just too afraid of me on Facebook. I mean, who's too afraid of somebody on Facebook? It's so funny, the level of cowardice. Anyway, never meet anyone but cowards. It's so funny. They just never do. Online, yes, yay, thank you. I get those interactions. Okay, so back to the EIN, right? So we're gonna go. How do you get an EIN? This is how you do it. You go to irs.gov, click. I want an EIN, click. Right? What type of corporations list? One of them's trust, click. What kind of trust? Irrevocable, click. And then everybody goes, a thing pops up that says, well, if you receive income, you're going to have to file form blah, blah, blah. Trusts get grants in them. They can't receive income. Income's a person word from that business type, so it's a trap. And if you bought it, God, you are so super well trained as a slave of Satan's. Don't even try to sign a trust with God or do any of my work. You'll never make it. You have no chance, right? You're like, I live in fear. I will do anything the fear goddess says. Lady cross-dresser liberty. Please do what I say, or you'll be what? It's a cross-dresser. What do they do? Change their clothes on you? I mean, I might change my clothes. Oh, wow. You got me then. You think the police have bullets in their guns? I don't think so. They're all cross-dressers. They can't be trusted. They're just lying scumbags like their managers or whatever. You know what I mean? They absolutely, it's their religion a lie. And their managers know it's their religion to lie. So they're just fucking off on duty all the time, doing drugs, right? Mean with hookers, basically just doing anything they want because, you know, they're Satanists, do as I will. They're just doing anything all day long. But when you see them, they gotta be like, oh, I'm doing something important or whatever. But they're idiots. They're like a, you know, like a crazy, wacky, come in here and I'm spinning a sign. Come into Spinny Sign World, wherever that is. They're like a sign. They're not allowed to do anything. Police, yo, they're just there for show to steal your money. So you keep paying the bankers. They don't have bullets or nothing because they can't be trusted. They're just lying. Their managers know they're just lying cowards. Why would they give them bullets? Come on. Anyway, so the IRS and that whole thing, like, don't worry about them. They're nobody. So it's this thing about, you know, pops up. You're getting an EIN and it says, you know, the whole thing about if you get income, then you got to file a form. Okay, well, trust can't get income, so that's just faking your brain out and turning you back into a slave through the trust. Anyway, so you go click irrevocable, and you know you have to put in your person's name and social security number. That's what licenses other businesses. People get hung up. Well, I had to put in my name and my social security number. Like, I'm a pure Satanist. I just like to be in my person. I worship singly under, you know, Satan's person. I don't like to go outside of it because I'm a perfect slave to Satan. Yeah. I can't help you people. You know what I mean? I love Satan. I will do. Well, I'm afraid I might. Can't you just read English and follow the direction? Click, click, click. You get an EIN like 2 minutes later. You save the PDF, right, that you're given from the IRS. It pops up with your EIN. You save it to your desktop, should to Dropbox too, right? And print out 2 copies. Okay? Now you have an EIN for the trust. You could open a bank account. You could own a home or a car or any kind of asset in the name of the trust, buy and sell. I don't know. How do you say? You can do anything in commerce, more than a person can. Okay? You can get credit cards, credit accounts, you know, debit card, checking account, checkbooks, you know. Only difference is with using the person is you don't owe inheritance tax and you don't owe income tax. So, you know, you'd have to stop paying those. So I know for religious Satanists, like almost every human being, you just absolutely want to pay Satan, right, the in God we trust, you want to pay Satan all your money, right? That's what you've been doing most of your life. You love Satan. You want to keep paying. This isn't for you. Okay, this is not for you. Stay in the person. Stay over there owing money and get a slave job and do all that stuff. You should do that. You should keep doing it if that's your thing. This is not for you. This is for people who love God, who worship God, who serve God, who don't want a job, who don't want to pay inheritance or income tax. They just don't want to do it, and they want to do it legally. They don't want to pay. This is the legal method to do it. Okay? And if you want to, you know, sign your soul with this contract, which is what it is, you trust in Jesus Christ, if you want to do that, and this is the only contract on earth to remit your soul back to its maker, Jesus Christ, and put it under that power. As I prove, I'm unkillable, can't be touched, you know, can be debt, stop that pipeline, and my method, stop that pipeline up in the Dakotas. I mean, just anything that is a acute situation by money or government or religion or whatever, I posted the proof I've overcome everything, or something similar to everything. You know what I mean? So get your EIN and operate a trust if you love God and you dislike, serving Satan. If you dislike that, you should do this. But everyone else, and I know it's almost every other human, stay where you are. Don't get in touch with me. Don't stay with your person, right? And continue to worship Satan. That's fine. That's your thing. I'm not talking to you, all right? This is just how to get an EIN. It's free. It takes about 2 minutes, maybe at the maximum. Maybe 5, because you have to type in your name and social security stuff, and the others are just clicks. And an address. I think you have to put in an address. Right? So typing in a name and an address might, some slow typers might take a few minutes. Others just like 3 or 4 clicks. Prints it out, PDF, you're done. So no paying a service, irs.gov is free. That's where you do it. Okay, we all clear on the EIN, how to get it, what it means, what it goes to, how the person licenses. If not, I've done my best. Write me. I'll try and add anything else I need to add. Right at contact@libertyaid.org. All right. God bless your success.